This week is going to be insane in the stock market with CPI inflation coming out on Tuesday, along with major financials like JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, BlackRock and State Street all reporting last quarter's earnings. Wednesday we have PPI coming out along with Netflix, Taiwan Semiconductor and US Bank reporting earnings as well, and Friday we have even more banks reporting earnings. It's going to be such a roller coaster, so make sure that you're ready for it. Now that earnings season is back with banks leading the way, one thing to think about is if the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates next quarter. Why does that matter? Because banks will benefit so much if they do cut rates. So let's take a look at the odds of that even happening. This is the Fed Watch tool, and as of today, the odds of the Federal Reserve lowering interest rates in the July 30th meeting is only 6.7%, and the odds of them keeping rates unchanged is 93.3%. But let's take a look at the September meeting. This is where things get interesting. The odds of them lowering rates by 0.25 basis points skyrockets to 58.8%, and the odds of them lowering rates by 0.5 basis points is 4%. As for them keeping rates unchanged, the odds drop down to 37%. Now this will all update as more data's come out, but this is how it looks as of right now. So with all that being said, major banks will most likely run with this in all the earnings report, and they may even price it in to the guidance. And remember, when companies report earnings, it's not so much about how they did last quarter, it's about how they'll do next quarter. That's what investors really want to know. It's kind of like in life. It's about your next move, not your last. Right now, most banks are at their all-time highs, and I wouldn't be surprised if this kept on going this week, which will then push up the rest of the market. But personally, I would love for the market to pull back quite a bit because I have a strict rule of never buying stocks anywhere near their all-time highs. So I would love for the market to get beaten up again because I made so much money since the big drop that happened in April. But that's it for today. If you found this video interesting, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.